Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students, grade 5 students? I hope you are doing well and staying safe at your homes. This is the overview video for week 10, the last lesson of module 3, the round up, and we will start on Monday with module 4. Our learning objectives for this week: we will revise and consolidate structures and vocabulary presented in previous lessons, especially in module 3. Say a song or poem and learn more vocabulary and structures. Also, we'll be able to talk about actions that were happening at a specific point in the time in the past and talk about accidents and injuries, and we'll be able to ask and answer about reasons. So let's get started and have this overview. The first thing that we are going to do this week, and it will be on Sunday, the roundup for module 3. In this lesson, we are going to revise and consolidate the vocabulary and the structures that we studied throughout this module. Starting with the vocabulary part, remember the words high, busy, city, jungle, length, fur, high jump, race, continent, island, minutes, seconds, wet, important, dry, and these words. And we will revise also the grammar about comparative and superlative cases of adjectives and adverbs. Like you say, higher than, the highest, harder, hard, faster, fastest, well, which is the adverb of good, that can be better in comparative, superlative, which is best, far, further, or farthest. Also, we have the adverb happily. When using it in comparative, it will be more happily, and in superlative case, it will be the most happily. After that, we will do some reading uh, about skyscrapers, old and new. Remember, skyscrapers, the high buildings, high structures. Also, we will compare between Tokyo Sky Tree and the Chrysler Building. Also, we will do some writing about endangered species. Remember what we studied about endangered species in module 3, the giant panda, the snow leopard, and also the gorilla. So in this part, we are gonna search about some endangered animals and write and complete this fact chart. After that, we have listening activity. We will read and match with the pictures. All this will be through the roundup lesson. So by the end of this module and the end of this lesson, we will be able to make comparisons, talk about places, buildings, structures, landmarks, and endangered animals or species, describe something or someone using adverbs and adjectives, talk about sports and numbers from 100 to 1000, and we will be able to write an article about a famous athlete. On Monday, we will start with module 4. Let me find it. Yes, here. This is module 4 and entitled What Happened? Remember, we studied something like that in module 2 about what happened. So all this module is going to focus about past events, and this is for real. Let's have an overview over this module. Most importantly, focus on the vocabs, the new words. We have water the plants, clean the car, garage, upstairs, downstairs, basement, balcony, jar, biscuit, and blackout. Also, we are going to have a song. This one, we will read the song or the poem. Also, we are going to focus on past events. Through this logbox, we will be able to answer questions about past events or past actions. What were you doing last night? I was doing my homework last night. What were you doing yesterday afternoon? I was watering the plants yesterday afternoon. Or I was watching TV, or I was doing my homework. Uh, this is going to be on Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to top stars and we will have more vocabs and structures. We will have a slip on wet floor, break, fall, hurt, kitten, heel, back, hit, noise, and sprain. These are the most important words that we are going to have during this week. Also, we will read this graphic novel or this story about what or how did Sammy hurt his back through listening and reading, and after that we will answer the questions in the next page. What is the matter with Sammy? What was Sammy doing before the accident? What did Sammy see in the street? What was the other boy doing? And why was there photo of Sammy in the newspaper? If you notice, all the questions are talking about past events. What did he do? What happened? Why was? And etc. So again, in the logbox, we will focus on answering the questions about past events or past actions. Were you wearing a helmet? You will answer by yes or no. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Was Ali reading a book? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Why did you go to the doctor? Because I was ill yesterday morning. What is the matter? I sprained my ankle. I hurt my back. I hurt my elbow. We will do this during the week and in the class. Also, we will have a listening activity here about the correct pictures. Also, we will practice more about and on asking and answering the questions about the past. That is all for this week, and it was a general overview of what we will be doing during this week. Remember that this video is an overview, not detailed video like the previous ones. So most importantly here, you must focus in the class, listen to your teacher, and pay attention to everything we study together at school. That's all, my dear students. Thank you for listening and watching. And remember to pay attention and participate in the class at school. And that is the most important thing. And remember also that this video is an overview or general review about what we are going to do this week. And have a nice week ahead.